I'm so sorry. The first video got cut off. I just didn't have enough space on my computer to hold the file. But let me just continue. There's not that much left, so, oh no. All right. So let's see where we're at. I'm just gonna click through this. Sorry, my 7th grade. Christina Aguilera is going, woohoo. Okay, Outliers. Okay, I believe we were here. And so let's just go ahead and answer the questions, okay? All right, find the median length of the salmon. So let's see, how many salmon are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we want to look at the 6th and 7th piece of data. We want to add it together and divide it by 2. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7. So here are the leaves. So it's 23 and 24. Okay, and to find the median, when we add it together and divide it by 2, we get 23.5 centimeters as the median length of salmon. Okay, like so. All right. The next question says, find the mean length of the salmon. So we're going to add up all the, let me make this, my video bigger. Okay. We're going to add up all the values from the stem and leaf plot and divide it by the total number of salmon, which is 12. And you should be getting approximately 30.7 centimeters. All right, and then compare the median and mean. What can you infer? Well, I see that my median is 23.5 centimeters and my mean is larger, 30.7 centimeters. So it is quite larger, more than 5 centimeters larger. It says, what can you infer about that? Why do you think that's the case? How come the median and mean are not that close in value? Well, let's examine the outliers. The outliers are pretty long in length, 51, 52, 61 centimeters. These are a lot different than the values that are in their 20s. Do you see that? Okay, so it seems like the median gives you a better sense of the data than the average does, than the mean does. Okay, and then D, what is the range of the data? So we're going to take the greatest value minus the lowest value, and that's 61 minus 21, and that'll be 40 centimeters. Woo! That range is quite large between different salmon that were caught during one fishing trip. Okay, now explain how the outliers 51, 52, and 61 centimeters affect the range of data. And we can see that it does affect the range. If we didn't have these outliers, then the range would be quite small. It'd be between, let's see, 25 minus 21, which would just be 4 centimeters, as opposed to 40 centimeters with these outliers. And we already talked about how the outliers affected the mean of the data. It increased the data a lot, but it didn't reflect actually the true core of the data. All right, and I would like for you to do guided practice number 4. And when you're ready, you can replay the video. All right, welcome back. So here, we're gonna find the median weight, and let's see how many pieces of data we have, which is the number of newborns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 pieces of data. So that means I'm going to take the fifth and sixth piece of data, add them together, and divide it by 2. Ready? Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the 5 and 6. Oh, 65. 65 plus 65 divided by 2 is 65. Okay. It's actually not 65 because when I look at the key at the bottom, it says 3 line 1 represents a weight of 3.1 pounds. So it's 6.5 pounds as the median. Okay. All right. And then B, find the mean weight. So we're going to just add the values in here. And remember, the line represents a decimal point, okay? And we're going to divide it by the total number of babies. And that'll become about 6.14 pounds. Actually, it'll become exactly 6.14 pounds as the mean. All right, and then it says compare the median and mean. So let's see, we have the median here and then the mean here. Oh, which one's bigger? It looks like the median is bigger, okay, than the mean. Okay, how come they're not that close in value? Well, we have this outlier here, don't we? There was a baby that was born as 3.1 pounds, which is very, very small. I believe, between these values here, like 6.0, 6.1, all the way to 7.1, might be, more closer to the norm of when a newborn is born, but a 3.1 baby is quite small. Maybe it was premature, we don't know, okay? But it seems like that really affected the mean and brought it lower than it should have been. And again, in this case here, the median reflects the data more accurately than the mean due to the outlier. And what's the range of data? Well, to find the range, we have to take the biggest value minus the lowest value, which is 7.1 minus 3.1, and you get 4.0 pounds. And explain how the outlier 3.1 pounds affects the range. So let's say this outlier wasn't here. Then the range would be 7.1 minus 6.0, which would be 1.1 pounds. So like about 1 pound difference, which isn't, that large, but a 4 pound difference in a newborn baby, ooh, that's a lot. It does affect the range significantly when there is an outlier. Oh yeah, we're at the end of our lesson. All right, sending you my love, 7th grade. I'm so proud of you, trying your best, coming to our GoToMeeting sessions and everything. So keep up the good work. All right, see you later. Have a good day. Bye.